5 Best Hiking Gloves. Here is the product number 5. Hard Knuckle Cycling Hiking Gloves. High-quality microfiber fabric, anti-tearing. The use of a microfiber hard shell enhances the thrill of combat. Thickened double palm pad, anti-skid and wear-resistant, rubber air hole, light and breathable, effectively eliminate palm sweat. Reinforcement panel and palm provides added durability. Features: non-slip, wear-resistant, lightweight and breathable. Here is the product number 4. Tactical Gloves Army Long Full Finger Glove. Camo Professional Design Tactical Gloves. Material: microfiber. Color: black, green, CP. Features: use high-quality microfiber fabric, lightweight, soft, comfortable. Provide complete protection suitable for any occasion, as tactical gloves, military gloves, hunting gloves, protective gears, motorcycle gloves, driving gloves, hiking gloves. Here is the product number 3. Multicam Outdoor Tactical Gloves. Camo Professional Design Tactical Gloves. Material: microfiber, nylon. Color: 5 colors. Size: S/M/L/XL. Features: use high-quality microfiber fabric. Reinforcement panel and palm provides added durability. Provide complete protection suitable for any occasion, as tactical gloves, military gloves. Here is the product number 2. Fitness Hiking Fingerless, Full Finger Gloves. Item type: tactical gloves. Use hunting, shooting, military training. Gender: unisex. Color: black, khaki, army green. Character: shock absorption and anti-skid, sports protection. Color: black, khaki, army green. Material: nylon. Character: shock absorption and anti-skid, sports protection. Here is the product number 1. Outdoor Hiking Shooting Paintball Hunting Full Finger Gloves. Use high-quality microfiber fabric. Improved grip: padded synthetic leather. Palm offers loads of grip. Ventilated flexible material offers cooling airflow, minimizes moisture, great for cool and hot weather. Improved hook and loop, increased durability, increased service life. Great for multi-activities like tactical, airsoft, paintball, hiking, hunting.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.